Hello, dear friends. Do you wake up multiple times a night, shuffling to the bathroom in the dark, only to feel exhausted the next day? Picture this. Mary is 68-year-old retired teacher from Chicago, used to dread bedtime. For years, she'd wake up 3, sometimes 4 times a night to pee. Her days were foggy, her energy drained, and she feared a fall in the dark bathroom could land her in the hospital. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. Science shows 75% of seniors can slash those nighttime bathroom trips with 5 simple changes. No pills, no surgeries. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to sleep through the night again. And hit that subscribe button to join our journey to better health at Quality Senior Living. Let me tell you about Mary. For privacy, I've changed her name. Mary loved her evening routine. A hearty dinner, a glass of wine, and cozying up with a mystery novel. But those constant nighttime trips to the bathroom stole her rest and her joy. She thought, this is just aging. I'm stuck with it. But Mary was wrong, and so are millions of seniors. Nocturia, the medical term for frequent nighttime urination, isn't just old age. It's often caused by everyday habits we can change. Today, I'm Dr. Sarah Thompson, a senior wellness expert with 20 years helping folks over 60 live stronger, healthier lives. I've seen people like Mary transform their nights with practical, no-cost tweaks. Stick with me, and I'll share 5 game-changing habits to help you sleep deeply, wake refreshed, and reclaim your energy. Ready? Let's dive in. Habit 1. Your evening snack sabotages your sleep. First, let's talk about what you eat after 6 p.m. Many seniors enjoy a late-night snack. Crackers, fruit, maybe some yogurt. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong! Certain foods act like secret bladder triggers, sending you to the bathroom when you should be dreaming. Take Mary. She loved her evening bowl of cherries or a handful of almonds, but cherries are high in water content, and almonds are? They're packed with magnesium, which relaxes muscles, including your bladder, making it harder to hold urine overnight. A 2019 study from the Journal of Urology found that high water or diuretic foods eaten late can increase urine production by 30% at night. Your kidneys don't need to work overtime while you sleep. They need a rest too. Here's what to do. Stop eating water-rich or diuretic foods after 6 p.m. That means no cherries, watermelon, cucumbers, or even salty snacks like pretzels that make you thirsty. Instead, try a small, dry snack, like a few whole-grain crackers or a slice of toast with a smear of peanut butter. Keep portions small, think a quarter cup. This gives your kidneys a break while you sleep. Mary swapped her cherries for a small oatmeal cookie. Within a week, her nighttime trips dropped from 4 to 2. She told me, I didn't realize my snack was betraying me. Now I wake up feeling like I've actually slept. What's your go-to evening snack? Drop it in the comments. Let's see if it's a bladder culprit. And try this swap tonight. It's a small step to a big win. Habit 2. Your water bottle is your nighttime nemesis. Next, let's talk hydration. Drinking enough water is vital, but when you sip matters just as much. Many seniors carry a water bottle everywhere, sipping all evening to stay healthy. But this floods your kidneys when they should be slowing down. Mary was guilty here. She'd sip water while reading, thinking it helped her stay hydrated. But a 2021 study from the American Geriatric Society showed that drinking more than 8 ounces of fluid after 7 p.m. can double your nighttime urine output. Your kidneys don't need to work overtime while you sleep. They need a rest too. Here's the fix. Create a hydration schedule. Drink most of your water, aim for 40 to 60 ounces, before 4 p.m. After that, taper off. By 7 p.m., switch to tiny sips, only if you're truly thirsty. If you take meds that dry you out, talk to your doctor about timing them earlier. Keep a small 4-ounce cup by your bed for emergencies, but don't chug it out of habit. Mary cut her evening water to a few sips. 2 weeks later, she said, I'm sleeping 5 hours straight now. It's like I got my nights back. Her energy soared, and she even started morning walks again. Type 2 in the comments if you're sipping water late at night. Then try this hydration shift tonight. Your bladder will thank you. Habit 3. Your bedtime routine trains your bladder to misbehave. Now let's tackle a sneaky habit. The just-in-case bathroom trip before bed. Sounds smart, right? Empty the tank, sleep soundly. But this can backfire big time. Mary did this every night. She'd hit the bathroom before bed even if she didn't feel the urge. But a 2020 study from the National Institute on Aging found that just-in-case trips train your bladder to signal urgency at low volumes, sometimes as little as 100 milliliters, half its normal capacity. Over time, this creates a cycle of false alarms, waking you up needlessly. Here's how to retrain your bladder. Only go when you feel a true urge. If you're not sure, wait 10 minutes. Distract yourself. Read a page of a book. Do a gentle stretch or listen to calming music. This teaches your bladder to hold more, reducing those middle-of-the-night signals. If you're on diuretics or have a condition like diabetes, check with your doctor first. Mary stopped her pre-bed bathroom trips. At first, it felt strange, but by week 3, she was sleeping 6 hours without waking. "I feel like I'm in control again," she said, beaming. Do you make just-in-case trips? Comment 3 if you're ready to break this habit. Try waiting for the true urge tonight. It's a game changer. Habit 4. Your bedroom setup is working against you. Let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bed, lighting, even the air in your room can trigger nocturia. Bet you didn't see that coming. Mary's bedroom was cozy but problematic. She used a thick mattress topper and kept her room at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, thinking warmth helped her sleep. But a 2022 study from the Sleep Research Society showed that rooms warmer than 70 degrees increase blood flow through your kidneys at night. And a too soft mattress? It can misalign your pelvis, pressing on your bladder. Here's the solution. Keep your bedroom cool, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a fan or crack a window for airflow. Swap heavy pajamas for loose, breathable cotton ones. And check your mattress. It should be firm enough to support your hips without sinking. Add a thin pillow under your knees if you sleep on your back to ease bladder pressure. Mary adjusted her room temperature and swapped her flannel pajamas for cotton. She also added a knee pillow. Within 10 days, her nighttime trips dropped to 1. "I wake up feeling like I'm 50 again," she laughed. What's your bedroom temperature? Comment 4 and share it. Try cooling your room tonight. It's a simple fix with big results. Habit 5. Stress is silently sabotaging your bladder. Finally, let's talk about stress. As seniors, we carry a lot, worries about health, family, or finances. But stress doesn't just mess with your mind, it messes with your bladder too. Mary was a worrier. She'd lie in bed replaying her day or stressing about her grandkids. A 2023 study from the Journal of Urology linked chronic stress to higher cortisol levels, which increase urine production at night. Stress also tightens pelvic muscles, making your bladder feel fuller than it is. Here's how to fix it. Build a 10-minute wind-down routine before bed. Try deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Or do a gentle stretch like seated forward bends to ease your pelvic floor. Journaling works too. Write down one worry and one thing you're grateful for. This signals your brain to let go. Mary started a breathing routine and kept a gratitude journal. Within 2 weeks, her nighttime trips dropped to 0 some nights. "I didn't just sleep better," she said. "I felt lighter, like a weight lifted off my heart." What stresses you out at night? Comment 5 and share one thing you'll try to unwind. Start this routine tonight. It's your ticket to peaceful sleep. Now, let's pause and reflect. Mary's story shows us that nocturia isn't a life sentence. She went from waking up 4 times a night to sleeping 6 hours straight, feeling energized and joyful. But here's the shocking truth. If you keep these old habits, late snacks,
evening water, just-in-case trips, a warm bedroom, or unchecked stress, you're not just losing sleep, you're risking fatigue, falls, and even memory issues. A 2024 study from Harvard Medical School found that chronic sleep disruption raises your risk of cognitive decline by 20%. But you don't have to live like this. You can start tonight. Here's your action plan. Swap late snacks for dry, small portions after 6 p.m. Drink most of your water before 4 p.m., sips only after 7. Skip the just-in-case bathroom trips. Wait for the true urge. Cool your bedroom to 65 to 68 degrees and use breathable pajamas. Add a 10-minute wind-down routine to ease stress. Mary followed these steps, and now she wakes up refreshed, ready to enjoy her garden or play with her grandkids. You deserve that too. So, dear friend, what's stopping you from sleeping through the night? Comment your age and one health issue you want me to tackle next. I'll make a video just for you. And if this video helped, type A in the comments. If it wasn't your cup of tea, type B. I want to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell at Quality Senior Living so we can keep sharing practical tips for your best years. Share this video with a friend who's tired of those nighttime bathroom trips. You've cared for everyone else your whole life. Now it's time to care for you. Try one of these habits tonight and let's reclaim your sleep together. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Sarah, and I'll see you in the next video for more ways to live strong and vibrant after 60.